Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is adaptation, a C1 level noun that means a change or adjustment to suit new conditions. Let's explore this word in depth to see how it can enrich your English language skills. Adaptation refers to the process of changing or adjusting to fit a new environment, situation, or set of circumstances. It's often used in both personal and professional contexts. For example, when you move to a new country, learning the local language is often an important adaptation to your new surroundings. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for adaptation. Words like adjustment, modification, and alteration carry similar meanings. For instance, the company made an adjustment to its strategy to address the new market demands, or the film was a brilliant modification of the original novel. These words emphasize the idea of making changes to fit a purpose or situation. On the other hand, let's look at some antonyms. Words like resistance, stagnation, or rigidity highlight a refusal or inability to change. For example, his resistance to the new rules made the transition more difficult, or the team's stagnation led to missed opportunities for growth. These words contrast sharply with the flexibility and adaptability that adaptation implies. In everyday life, adaptation plays a vital role. You might hear someone say, "Her quick adaptation to remote work impressed her boss," or "the adaptation of the novel into a film brought new life to the story." It can also refer to biological or technological changes, such as, "The polar bear's thick fur is an adaptation to the Arctic climate," or "This software's new features are an adaptation to user feedback." Let's look at a few more examples of how you can use adaptation in sentences. The adaptation of their teaching methods helped the students perform better. The play's modern adaptation was a hit with younger audiences. Successful adaptation to change often leads to personal growth. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've learned that adaptation means a change or adjustment to suit new conditions, explored some useful synonyms and antonyms, and practiced using it in sentences. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this episode both fun and informative. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their English vocabulary. I also encourage you to create your own sentence using adaptation and share in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.